Hey guys, this is Ed from Barnabas Robotics. I'm excited today because I get to demo a new project that we're working on. We got a few new developers on our team, which I'll introduce to you later on. I want to create a little series of videos as we develop this thing. But for today, I just want to give you a little sneak peek. So what we've got here is this really cool laser cut car. We've got two DC motors here. We've got a gear train here, so they can move the motors here can move the wheels. All right, we've got a caster wheel here, so it can turn and stuff. Ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so far nothing new. It's kind of like the Barnabas Rover kit. This will look familiar if you've done the Barnabas Rover. It's got a DC driver to control the DC motors. But then check this out. This is a new board. This is like the Arduino Uno, except it can talk Wi-Fi. Okay, it's using something called the ESP8266. That's going to be this chip right here. It's a Wi-Fi chip. So what's happening is that this can send out a Wi-Fi signal, just like the Wi-Fi router at your house. And then what you can do is take your phone. Okay, I got an Android phone here, and find that network. You see, it says my Barnabas bot. Okay, that's my Wi-Fi signal. That's coming out of this this board right here. Once I'm connected, open up a nice app, and then you can now take your app and control your car. So first thing is this LED. See, I'm pressing it. As I'm pressing, you see the LED turns off and on. Okay, so it's talking. That's good. And then let's see if we can control this thing. All right. Yeah, I got both wheels going. We go straight. There we go, and there it's up, and it's off. So let me disconnect this for now. So I just wanted to show you a pretty cool project. We're still working on it, and so the cool thing with this is that you still get to learn C code, the Arduino C. You're going to be able to do it over, program it over the internet through code.barnabas. We're still working on it. There's some tweaks to figure out, and if you're interested, you can also get learn about the app development, because we're going to also open source the code for this. We're going to be using what's called Flutter. Flutter is a coding thing, a coding environment, or development environment, as we call it in software engineering, that allows you to create apps for both Android and Apple. So we got the Android thing going. We still got to work on the Apple side, but because we're using Flutter, it's going to be easy to make apps for both. All right, so that's what's coming up. We're gonna be releasing some of these, so maybe in the next couple weeks. So if you're interested to try it out and kind of play along with us as we're developing this thing, you'll have the opportunity to do that. All right, that's all for now. I will talk to you soon.